Hello everyone, my name is Hardik Verma, and this video tutorial we will be learning how to sketch different things in SolidWorks. So I will be making a series or a playlist of these exercises so you can practice them along your journey and then learn the software better, because sketching is the first step of learning SolidWorks. So let's get started with our very first sketch, and I'll name it as sketch exercise 1. For that, click on new, then choose part and click OK. And in this, click on top plane and click on sketch. Choose circle, make center circle and make another circle. OK. Now choose smart dimension and dimension the inside circle as 55 mm and the outside circle as 90 mm. OK. Now choose center line and construct a center line to this point. Hit escape and it will look something like this. Now choose again circle and make two circles anywhere and choose OK. Then choose smart dimension and dimension the outer circle as 36 mm and the inner circle as 20 mm. So it will look something like this. Then again exit the sketch, then choose smart dimension and dimension this point to this point. Okay, so I have a better idea. After that, go to line and make a line It's better if you choose a center line because it will make it more readable, and make it somewhat here. Hit escape, then select this line and control select the midpoint of the circle and make the relation coincident, so it will always stay with this line. Now choose smart dimension and dimension this line and this line at an angle of 30 degrees. So it will look something like this. Now dimension this point to this point as 60 mm. Okay, and click OK. Now choose again center line. This time make a horizontal center line. Hit escape. Hit escape and look something like this. Now choose line again and sketch two lines. Doesn't matter of any length or any angle, just make two lines. Now click on the first line and control click on the other line and make them parallel. Again click on the first line and click on the this line, and by pressing parallel button, so no matter what happens they are always parallel to each other. After that, choose smart dimension and dimension this to this as 4 mm and again this to this as 4 mm. After that, hit escape, then click on this point and the circle in outer circle and choose coincident. Again do this for this. You can do this by control pressing the circle and the point. Click on coincident. After that, click on the other point and click on circle, and you will choose coincident, and then again do this for the remaining one. So coincident. So it will look something like this. Let me move some of the dimensions on my side. So after it has been done, you can go over to linear sketch pattern and click on the arrow over right side and choose circular pattern. Then on the parameters, choose the midpoint or the origin. Check the number of items is 6 and entities to pattern is select these two lines. So you're just showing you a preview of this. After that, click OK. After that, you can see they are not fully defined. To make them fully defined, we need to do two things. First, we have to define the distance between the origin and this line. You can do this by 4 mm like this, and then you can define the distance like this. Okay, so it's overrunning a sketch. Otherwise, you can specify the distance between the two. It's sometimes a bit tricky on this. Okay, so you can do one thing. You can click on this point and this point and make them coincident. It will automatically turn them black. So as you can see now, this sketch is fully defined. You can just slide it inside like this. So after that it has been done, click on mirror entities and choose entities to mirror this circle and this circle. Choose mirror about this center line. It will show a preview, then click OK. And again choose mirror entities, then choose the two circles over there and these circles over there. And this time choose the mirror line about this. Click OK. So it will look something like this. Now click on 3-point arc, select one point here, other point on the other circle, and move the cursor inside. So we'll have something like this. Click OK. Then choose smart dimension, and this time dimension it as 14 mm. Then click on this arc and the circle by control pressing, then choose tangent and do the other like so, tangent. So it has turned black, means it's fully defined now. Then again choose 3-point arc. This time select this point, and choose the inside one like so, and click OK. And choose smart dimension and dimension this as 17 mm. Then again click on this arc and control click on the outer circle and choose tangent. Do the same for the other circle also. Do the tangent. So it will look something like this. You can just drag it inside, or you can make anything better, clearer. Okay. Then again choose mirror entities, and this time select this entity to mirror and mirror about center line. So it will make automatically line over there. After that again choose mirror entities, and this time choose this entity and mirror about line is this line, and choose OK. Again choose mirror entities, and this time select these two entities and the mirror line as this. So you can see by using mirror command we can greatly reduce our effort and make the work quite easy as compared to any other way that we may proceed and we like to proceed. Then we will use the trim command. So to do that, go to trim entities, and we will trim these areas. Make sure you have selected the power trim, which is the default one, and then click on these areas and just trim out these. We don't require those. Do the same for the others. This process is quite easy, not quite time consuming, and you will fairly do it very easily. So this was a sketch that we first intended to make, and it has been done. So as you can see, this process took quite less time. So you can then exit the sketch, and there you have it, your very first basic sketch modeling in SolidWorks. So there are many approaches to make this design. So I chose one which was the easiest and the simplest. Hope you enjoyed it and hope you learned something out of it. So please learn all these things, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.